Glamp is waiting! Polly, it's all set! Where are our tickets? They're here! Let's go! It's going to be a super vacation! Wait, Polly! I have a message! Oh no! All the flights have been canceled! Bad weather! Don't panic, Mary!
Wow.
What if we went glamping? Imagine that! That would be cool! That's a great idea, Bestie! Get to work! And the construction site begins with a general cleaning. Let's get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. Oh, wrong way. Let's go this way. The room is almost ready. All that's left is to remove the paintings. What's next on the plan? Mary, shall we begin? Take your time, Polly. We'll follow the blueprint. Look, first we need a frame. Okay, sure. So, let's saw the wood. Polly will take over. Oh, that's a tough one. But if the pro is on the job, everything will work out. The beams for the frame are ready. This is for you, Polly. Let's assemble the wooden base. It's almost like a Lego set. Lay the beams on the floor. Oh, wow. This is going to be a great space. We did a good job, Polly. Nice. But we're not done. The parts have to be put together. It's time to use the screwdriver. Screw in the beams. Are you done yet, Polly? Mary, what's this? We're going to make a dome out of these pipes. Watch and learn. Let's place the bases at the corners and attach the pipes to the foundation. And then tie them together in the center. The frame is almost ready, but it's not enough. The glamping has to have a real dome. Out of cardboard, let's draw a triangle and then cut it out. I'm here, Polly. You'll need a lot of these triangles for homemade glamping. That's a lot of work for the scissors. Keep up, Polly. You can't outrun me, Mary. Phew, we made it. Now what? Time to assemble the cardboard dome. Triangle by triangle. What about the upper levels? We've got tape, Mary. That's right, Bestie. Tape the cardboard pieces together. Teamwork makes the dream work. How are you doing, Mary? Fine, Polly. All that's left is to make the roof. But we have a problem. These triangles are too wide for the roof. We'll have to cut them. Hey! Already done! Good idea, Mary! Now put the triangles all around. Simple as that! Polly, I need duct tape! Let's glue the pieces together. And the roof for the dome is ready. Let's put it in place. It looks great! Follow me, Mary! Wow! It's even better than astronomy camp! Mary, those white pipes don't match our vibe. Don't worry, Bestie. Our silver tape will save the situation. Voila! Now that's out of this world. Mary, look what I've got. A fitness disc. It's about time we got some exercise. I have a better idea. We need some furniture. Put a sheet of plywood on the disc and a piece of foam rubber on top. Cover it with soft fabric and secure it with staples. And to make it sturdy, let's glue the disc to the base. Look, Polly, it's spinning. Now let's decorate the stool. Stars will be perfect. Now everyone will have their own space throne. Woohoo! This is so much fun! Except it's still not cozy enough. We'll fix it now. That's better. The map saved the situation. This is kind of boring. I think so too. Get creative. We'll make a puzzle rug. Cut out parts using a stencil and glue the carpet to the cardboard. And to make it cuter, let's use several colors at once. Now the most interesting part. Let's put it together. It looks nice. But that's just the beginning. We still need to decorate the walls and the ceiling. It's a good thing Mary found those garlands. Let's hang them right under the ceiling. Holly's busy with something too. The blue tool will turn the cardboard dome into a real sky. Now that looks amazing. We're not done yet. There's still a lot of work to do. We need windows. Cut small triangles on the dome. And Polly will take measurements. Almost there. All that's left is to remove the extra cardboard. Oh, Mary! Well done. That's a great idea. So, are we done with these windows? And instead of glass, let's insert files in the windows. What a practical solution. Are you ready for your exploits, bestie? While Mary glues the windows, Holly will take care of the design. The glamping lacks bright colors. That's easy to solve. Posters haven't ruined any interior yet. And a couple more soft details. Pillows and a blanket are what we need. And of course, their favorite flower. Mary, we're supposed to be studying astronomy. That's right, Polly. We'll go stargazing. The sky is so starry tonight. What about the space lights? They are easy to make out of old discs. Cut out the shape you want. Draw the contour with a marker. And hang it on a string. Attach the space garlands under the dome. Wow! It's stellar! But this is getting boring. I'm tired of even looking at the stars. What to do? Polly, any ideas? I think there's an idea. Let's have a party. Oh, yeah! It's going to be a super astronomical party. But first, let's add a festive touch. This is our future disco ball. Not bad, but it could use a little cosmic sparkle. Mary, you're a magician. No magic, Polly. This ball needs a space ring. One more thing. Let the guests know there's a party in the glamping. Cut it out. Polly, it's ready. Do you like it? What's this? A puzzle? Wrap tea? I think there's some kind of mistake. Polly, it's party! Oh yes, that's better. We're ready for guests. Hey! But first, we have to hand out the invitations. This way, everyone. We're having a party. Don't miss it. Buddy, come to our space party. It'll be fun. Cool. I'll definitely come. And here are more people who want to go to the party. A space party? We'll be there. It all worked out, bestie. Way to go, Mary. Robot Puppy seems to be really enjoying himself in the space tent. I'm hungry, Mary. Don't bother, bestie. We'll have our own personal waiter. All we have to do is attach the container. We'll use a plastic tie. Pour in the chips, and here you go, Space Puppy. Enjoy, Polly. Thank you, Mary. I wonder if anyone will stop by their party. What if no one wants to come? Yeah, we'll have to party alone. Want some chips? I'd love some. But even the food isn't making them happy. Did they try for nothing? But the guests are finally there. Is this where the party is? Come on in and make yourself at home. Here come more guests. There won't be much room left. That's a nice setup you've got here. We did our best. Who wants chips? Wow. And the fun starts right away. Dancing till morning. No sadness is allowed in our special glamping tent. And even the robot puppy won't sit still. This party is out of this world.